Hi, yes, we are back. So we'll come to Unit 10 now, page 122. Fascinating body facts. Do you know that your body is the most perfect machine? You are a walking, talking wonder. Read on to find out some interesting things you probably didn't know. Seriously, we sometimes don't know what is actually so much wonderful and magical about ourselves or the body of a human being. We are a talking, walking wonder, isn't it? After the animals, we can talk and walk, animals can't talk. So let's see what is so important. More than half of an adult person is made up of water. Okay. More than half of a person is made up of water. Fine. For a man, that's about 40 liters. Enough to fill 4 pairs of large boots. Gumboots, big gumboots. So, adult, a man, 40% is water. 40 liters. So, 40 liters of water is there in a man's body. In an adult man. It can fill 4 pairs of large boots, those big gum boots people wear on the road workers, then the factories people wear gum boots. In rainy season they wear these ambulance, the fire brigade people wear boots, those big boots. 4 pairs means 8 boots can be filled with water. A man carries so much of water in the body. He is made up of water. The fastest human muscle is in the eye. It makes our eyelids blink about 5 times in a second. It makes our eyelids blink about 5 times in 1 second. In 1 second it blinks 5 times. Our hearts beat at about 70 times a minute. An elephant heart beats 25 times each minute. And a mouse heart beats 600 times a minute. We have a heartbeat of 70 times, 72 times basically. 70. If you could lay all your veins and arteries out, they would stretch 22 times around the world. Around the earth, you can go 22 times with all your veins and arteries. If you take out and join it together and take it around the world, it will go 22 times. Huge. The record for having the longest hair is held by Madras, a monk whose hair was 8.8 meters when he died in 1949. 8.8 meters long hair, a monk. Monk you can say, a pandit you can say, or a holy person you can say, who has got no family, who is just wanting to wander, talk about knowledge, talk about God, is a monk. Most of us have about 100,000 strands of hair on our scalp, or 1 lakh hair. 1 lakh hair on our head, approximately. approximately. Each red blood cell travels around the body 1,72,000 times before it dies after about 4 months, and a new red blood cell again generates platelets. Just imagine, one blood cell inside your body travels from top to bottom, head to toe, 1,72,000 times before it dies in 4 months. Amazing facts. We didn't know all this. I also didn't know. On very hot days, we lose up to 2 liters of sweat. That's water. We lose water in our body. Your hand and wrist contains 27 bones. This hand and the wrist contains 27 bones. The nails on the right hand of a right-handed person grow faster than the nails on the left hand, and vice versa. The human body has enough iron in it to make a 3-inch long nail. A nail can go up to 3 inches. The person who writes with the right hand does a right-handed man. His right hand side nails will grow faster than the nails on the left hand. And same, those who has a left hand, who use left hand more, their nails will grow more this side. Our toe prints are unique. Just like our fingerprints. Never can you get the same fingerprint. No one else will have it. So are our tongue prints. Where we print, if we print our tongue, it will be the same. No one will have the same tongue. Amazing facts. The tallest person ever was Robert Wadlow at 2 meters 72 centimeters tall. The shortest person was Chandra Bahadur Dangi at 57 centimeters. The shortest woman was ever Pauline Musters at 59 centimeters. Calculate and see how much it's coming out. An average person, normally an average person out of 100, 1 person or 2, average, on a basis of average, a person has over 1,460 dreams a year. We dream 1,460 dreams in 365 days, which is about 4 dreams every night we dream. %50 of human DNA is the same as in a banana. DNA is how we come to know from our cells, our blood and our tissues that to which person do we belong to. Our forefathers, our fathers we come to know with our DNA. These are the facts. Okay, so this also you have to do. So we are done with this. So take care. Happy Diwali. We'll come back again with the dragon rock, and then we will come to the table and chair. After the table and chair, we have the rat's feast, what the rats ate, and then we finish this of Rabindranath Tagore. Okay? So till then, take care. Okay? So take care of yourselves. God bless and respect your parents. Have fun in Diwali. Bye bye.